Y'all, another day, another new Outre slay. They did not come to play, like, girl. Outre, girl, you did the thing with this one.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking that easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Klair and the color number DR4/brown sugar melt. So let's just get into the specs of this unit. So with this unit, you do get your 13x5 HD lace parting space. It does come pre-plucked. It does come with baby hairs. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So as far as the cap size is concerned on this one definitely is coming all small, medium, and big head friendly. This one definitely does have some stretch to the cap, and the cap is very breathable as well. Now this one is 24 inches, so it is coming about just to my boobs. And it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. The density on this one, this is all the hair to the front, and honey, this is perfect. It's like 150% density. The texture on it is definitely a mix between a yucky and a soft silkiness, if that makes sense. It's much more yucky though than anything, so I really do love the texture. And I love the fact that I did go in and finger comb the curls out, and they're not as uniformed as they were initially out of the box, but I love the fact that they did not lose their curl pattern. So the quality of the hair so far from you guys is seeming like it's really good. This definitely was a throw on and go. This is a new color that they added to the collection, and I really love it. It goes from like your number 4 dark fruit to this lighter brown color to a little bit of a toned out darker brown. I feel like this color was beautifully executed, you guys. This curl pattern is gorgeous. The hair quality is great. I'm loving the texture. So I'm gonna just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only semi-con would be, as far as the Perfect Hairline collection is concerned, I do feel like they always come with it with the hairline. I feel like this one is not the most plucked. It's definitely workable and beginner friendly, but in comparison to some of their other units, I want to say this one is not as pre-plucked as the other ones are, even though I do think that is something that you can work with. And like I said, if you're lazy like me and you don't want to do any additional plucking, you can definitely just get away with wearing it as is. But just something to note, it's not as pre-plucked as a lot of the other Perfect Hairline units, and that's going to be my only con, honestly. My pros on this unit are the quality feels really nice. The density is perfect. This curl pattern is beautiful. I got a couple snags here and there. I got a little bit of shedding, not too much. The length is beautiful. The body, this color is gorgeous. As a whole, I'm super happy that I picked this unit up, and I think if you guys pick this unit up too, you will not be disappointed, because honey, this unit is just hitting in all the right places, and it's absolutely beginner friendly, fall girl approved, honey. So that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.